Hey y'all, it's Cha-Ching Sunday. Alright, I got a hot video for you guys. As you can see on the screen, last week we did 15 wins and only 5 losses. And it was an amazing week, but it was a strange week, but there was lessons to be learned. And this is something that I want to help you guys with because I've been noticing the patterns. Oftentimes the market will change directions based on what news events or chaos is going on around the world. And as we all know, there's tons of chaos going on around the world. So the rhythm of the markets tend to change in accordance of what the world is doing. So I'm going to take you to the charts and I'm going to teach you an extremely important lesson. But before I do that, I want you to write this down in your notes. Do not ever forget this rule, okay? And I'm going to read it off to you twice to make sure you get it. All right, here is the rule. Trade far less in the beginning of the week and more towards the end. Okay, and I'm going to take you to the charts and we're going to look at it. Two simple examples really quick. But again, trade far less in the beginning of the week and more towards the end. Let's go to the charts and let me show you exactly why I'm saying that. As you can see here, this is the trades that played out wonderfully, I mean, just to perfection on our simplicity trading system. Okay, and as you can see here, there was a major drop that happened all the way here. That was about 128 pips, and if you hit Control Y, it'll bring up what's called your day separators to separate each price action of the day. And as you can see, the market was jittery, it went down, but then, and it curved over and went down, created a few pips, and then it shot up, and then you had the major move that we were looking for from the 4-hour time frame. It was climbing, retested, did all these different things. Okay, but when did the major move happen? At the beginning of the week? No, towards the end of the week. Let me show you another example. Let's go to EU. A lot of you guys like trading the EU, okay? Euro USD. And as you can see, same thing. It was jittery, flat, shot up, flat, and shot up, flat, okay? If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll see it was just in an uptrend, but a lot of you guys like trading reversals, okay? And if you're a reversal trader, you really want to hear me good. You got to wait till the midweek, what they call midweek reversal, or what I call the Friday flush, okay? And I'll tell you about the Friday flush, which is what we see here. For those who have the simplicity system, you already knew exactly what to look for because it did exactly what the rules were and dropped down to the 15-minute and the arrow came in, and this would have added another, if you took the GU trade and then you took this trade, that would have netted you at least 72 more pips. So you're looking at roughly in one day 200 pips, okay? But when did it come out? When did it just do a smooth drop? See, here's what it was doing in the middle week. It gave a false, for those who do market makers method. Okay, you see this? There's the M pattern, and it gave a false drop and shot back up and took those people out. Okay, when did this happen? If this is Friday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. Okay, you gotta wait, be patient, It boom, 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 fake move, shot up some more, and then what day was this? Friday. Okay, Thursday going into Friday. So bottom line is, on that Friday, they did what I call the Friday flush. They sometimes will hold the market up all the way until the end of the week. They'll keep pushing and pushing and wait all the way until the end of the week to release and clear their books. So that means if you're patient, look at this. This is gold. A lot of you guys like trading gold. People who have my simplicity system, you already knew exactly what to look for. Okay, again, we already knew. Okay, look at that major drop. These are just 3 simple trades already that you could have taken just on Friday alone, okay? Just on Friday, which tells you that if you would have been patient and waited for them to get done pushing the market and the foolery, and you would have just waited, you don't have to trade every single day. That's the key. You don't have to trade every day. So if you understand what's going on in the markets and how it's being manipulated and pushed, and you are a reversal trader, you know for sure what you really want to do is wait to win. Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, the midweek reversals. But primarily, if they're holding that market up, I guarantee you they're probably waiting until Friday to clear the books, because at that point they've already taken out enough liquidity from everybody else who are impatient. See the false M? See that again? See that M from market makers method? Oh, I trade the market makers method. Okay, here's your M pattern. You see that? Boom, boom, boom. And they took off with the liquidity. And then they push it again. You thinking this the peak, but it's not. Boom. But for those in the simplicity group, you knew what to look for right here in this area. Boom, you knew what to look for, and drop down to that 15, and why to the freaking law. The money was there. And that's just on GU, EU, and gold. 3 trades. But what was the key? You couldn't take those trades until Friday. So the problem is that a lot of retail traders are getting their behinds chewed off because we don't have patience to just keep our hands off of the charts and simply wait for what we're looking for. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Now, if you are a trend trader, that's a different story. If you are trading with the trend, which I teach, you can use our system for that. You would have banked all kinds of money right here. See, you could have banked all kinds of things because you knew what direction and technique to use. Do you get what I'm saying? So if you are going to be in the beginning, wait for what you know you need to be looking for, because you could have rolled this all the way up in the beginning of the week and then just waited till the Thursday or Friday flush, and you would have got out with plenty of pips in both directions. Let's go to GU for another example. Okay, and I'm teaching you this because if you want to know the secret of why we do so good in our trading sessions, okay, here's the point. The point is that in the signals group, we understand market structure and how it's working. So again, here was a winner. This one would have been a 1-to-1 possibly. Boom, you would have won. Small little pullback, but then the next arrow came and boom, that would have been 2 winners if you're only taking them in the direction of the trend early in the week, and then you come and hit them back at the midweek to the weekend reversal, and you could have got them here. Do you guys get what I'm saying? So everything you need is right there. It's telling you what the market wants to do, but some of you guys, you're so anxious to trade in the beginning of the week and you don't know what direction you're supposed to be going, and you blowing your account. By the time the trades actually reveal themselves, revelations like in the Bible, which means to reveal, okay? By the time the markets reveal themselves to you, you already got your account bankrupt. Now, here's the other thing. If you are still trying to learn how to trade, but you need to make some money, then why are you not in the signals group? Again, 15 wins and 5 losses. How are you doing that? I mean, every week we're killing the markets. So again, come on over. All you have to do is go here to superezforex.com. If you want the simplicity trading system, then you want to click the join button on the home page, and it's right here, and it gives you all the bells and whistles right here. You can go through what it comes with and stuff like that, all the good stuff that comes with, including a weekly live class with me. You can do that. But if you want signals and you just want us to do that for you, plus you can have 2 weekly classes with Miss Jenny live, trading live with her during the US session. If you want to do that, then you want to click right here on the join our signal service and just click right here. Once you sign up, you click on the login, go through the login button, complete the tutorials, because everything you need to be in there, including a bonus indicator. So everything you need will be in there, and from there, you'll get the links and you'll be instantly in the group starting today. So if that's what you want to do, earn while you learn, I suggest go through the signal services right here. It's available for you guys. And me and Mr. Elvis will be sending out signals. And then the class schedule for Miss Jenny's weekly live classes are in there as well. So there's not only just signals that you get, but you also get 2 live classes throughout the week with Miss Jenny so that you can learn how to trade the indices as well. Okay, and so that's all available for you guys. So I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.